Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix sound laptop not working. Chapter 1. How to fix sound laptop not working, disabling audio enhancements. To start, in the search box, enter sound. Click on Change System Sounds. After, in the Playback tab, select the current speakers, pulse on Properties. Here, in the Enhancements tab, check the box Disable All Enhancements. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix sound laptop not working, reinstalling driver. To begin, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. After, in the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section, you must right-click on the driver and choose Uninstall Device option. You must confirm this process by clicking on Uninstall. After this, in the Action menu, click on the Scan for Hardware Changes option. Wait for the driver to be installed automatically. Chapter 3. How to fix sound laptop not working, configuring microphone. To start, enter sound in the search box. Select Change System Sounds. After this, go to the Recording tab. Select the current microphone and click on Properties. After, go in the Listen tab. You can uncheck the box Listen to this device. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 4. How to fix sound laptop not working, updating driver. To begin, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. After, displays the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on the driver and select the Update Driver option. In this window, click on the option to search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search. After, go back and click on the Browse My Computer for Drivers option. Then click on the option Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, select the available hardware and click on Next. It's necessary to confirm the process by clicking Yes. Wait for the driver to be installed on the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.